is now something I can say, asrar. Alhamdulillah, you brought something to the table. And nida, my brothers, that we're talking about is nida'un ma'at talab. We're not just talking about mujarradin nida. Nida can be anything. So when a little child cries, he's like, Mommy, even if his mom's not here. He's doing shirk. The little child, when you beat him up, he goes, Mommy. He cries. Are you going to say, Ya mushrik, to the little kid? Yeah. No, you don't. The nida is of types, my brothers. It's of types. وَلِذَلِكَ Fatima, when her father died, she said, Ya abata. She wasn't calling on to her father because he was not fi halati at-talab. She didn't want something from him. Alayhi salatu wasalam. So this is, my brothers, the nida. And just go to Qatrun Nada wa Ballu Sada by Ibn Hisham al-Ansari. It's a grammar book, one of the most basic books you will find. When you look at the huruf al-nida, when he's speaking about it, he divides it and he categorizes it there. Alayhi rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.